Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit subscribe and click the bell icon to stay up to date with our expert natural remedies and lifestyle tips. Are you tired of seeing those pesky white flakes on your clothes? That's dandruff, and it can be an uncomfortable and embarrassing condition. But don't worry, we've got some natural remedies that can help you get rid of it for good. One of the best remedies for dandruff is apple cider vinegar. Its antioxidant properties help boost our immune system, balance our skin's pH levels, and reduce inflammation. Mix a cup of apple cider vinegar with a cup of water in a spray bottle and spray it on your hair, massaging it into your scalp 2 to 3 times a week. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse. Aloe vera is another great option for getting rid of dandruff. It's rich in vitamins and has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. Extract the gel from the plant, massage it into your scalp, and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing your hair as normal. Finally, a honey and egg hair mask can also help eliminate dandruff and moisturize your hair. Eggs contain essential amino acids that can prevent dandruff, while honey helps to restore your hair's natural oil production. Beat an egg with 2 tablespoons of honey and apply the mixture all over your hair. Cover it with a shower cap and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it out. In addition to these natural remedies, there are a few other things you can do to prevent dandruff. Avoid washing your hair with very hot water, as it can make your scalp produce more oil. Avoid high-fat foods, and try not to sleep with wet hair or rub your scalp with your nails. Instead, massage your scalp with your fingertips in smooth, circular motions. And remember, hats can also contribute to dandruff, so try to avoid wearing them too often. So there you have it, some natural remedies for getting rid of dandruff and keeping your hair healthy. Try them out for yourself and see the results. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to say goodbye to those pesky white flakes for good. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.